The U.S. Surface Navy is moving rapidly toward buying a new large surface ship that will replace the aging cruisers, a ship that Navy leaders and experts say will need to be spacious to accommodate future upgrades in weapon systems. The Office of the Chief of Naval Operations Director of Surface Warfare, or OPNAVN 96, has convened a large surface combatant requirements evaluation team to figure out what the Navy's next large ship will look like and what it will need to do. The fleet is pushing towards designs that can easily be upgraded without a major overhaul. To do that, the Navy thinks it's going to need a lot of extra power for more energy-intensive weapons in the future, such as electromagnetic railguns and laser weapons. Future missiles are also driving the need for a larger ship. Missiles fired by surface combatants are going to need to travel further and faster. That means the vertical launch system launchers will need to get bigger to accommodate a larger missile. Integral to any future ship will be the ability to host unmanned vehicles. The Navy is starting down a path of incorporating drones into almost every aspect of their war fighting, from over-the-horizon sensors to aerial refueling drones such as the MQ-25. The Service Navy has made progress integrating drones in recent years. The MQ-8 Fire Scout, an unmanned helicopter that can fly off a cruiser, destroyer or littoral combat ship's flight deck, can be used for targeting.